Hello traders, community members. I hope you're doing well. Happy Friday. And this is just a brief video about the copy trading bot's performance from this week. And also some behind the scenes stuff of ATR Breakout strategy, the new code we implemented and this week also tested, will be released next Monday. Cool. So that said, it was not so good week for the bots because I go back here to the daily chart. Like you see here, this is a daily chart, and I already created a video, I think it was a few weeks ago, when we have consolidation in, for example, in the price range like this or like this, the bots are not performing very well. All right, the bots are performing the best when we have a clearly up or down trend, but also during this downtrend. Also, it doesn't have to be this like this, no. But if it's consolidating in a very slow range like here, then yeah, it can happen that you have a bad week. All right, depending also of the volatility or at the time of the asset you are trading. So go back to trading view. The bots are running. This is the digger, the gold digger, copy trading bot. You see the trades in here. Today we had a very good day. When we go here to November 7th, that's today, we are around $280 in the plus at this moment. And yeah, I also have a video about also risk management. You are able to set your risk management in Trade of 8. All right, so it's somewhere in the classroom. Go check it out. It's a free training video where I explain when you're running, for example, the gold sniper, because you have multiple trades a day, then you can set your daily profit and also daily losses goal. So if you have a daily profit goal of $200, you're already done today. If you had a daily loss of $200, for example, then you were done. Let me see, there was a day we had 2 losses in a row. No, all right. So we also have some bigger losses, but if you have 2 big losses in a row in a day, then the best also that day your bot will not, or I have to say Trade of 8 will not accept new signals from the bot because you reached your daily loss, all right, level. So it's very important to have also a risk management strategy implemented. You can let them run, it's okay. At the end, you make profit, but if you have a proper risk management, you make more profit, okay? And then you have more peace of mind. If you wake up and during Asian sessions, for example, here in Europe, but also in the US, you made already $200 profit, then the day is done, it's closed. And then you are secured of a $200 profit a day, all right? So we had not a very good week today. We had a very good day, but we had some big losses and some small wins in between, all right? So I think we have around, see here, $40 profit at this moment. And that is not counted today. So I think the trades of today are not counted. No, till yesterday. So actually we are on $310 profit at this moment for this week. That's okay. It's not a very, very bad week. But we had more in the past when we had a clearly uptrend or clearly downtrend. So no losses with the gold digger for this week. Okay. So we close this on a positive way. Going to the RMH, it's a different kind of story because RMH is not running very well the past 4 days, 3 days. We just had a trade, also a losing trade. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 losing trades in a row at this moment since the 4th of November. So 4, 5, 6, 7. We are now 4 days on a row with losing trades. So you see here, the RMH is not performing very well during these market conditions. And of course, we can tweak the bot again, like we are able here to set it with those parameters we have here that we can optimize it during the week. But what we do, we're always optimizing on Sunday evening for the coming week because we don't want to disturb the current market conditions by tweaking the bot every day. So the bot is not knowing, for example, in what market conditions what to do, all right? So RMS is not performing very well. And when you look at these losses, November 3rd, I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 270. I think we have around $120 loss for this week. Anyways, this is just a week result, and you have to see on long term. It's the same if you're trading manually. Then your mindset, but also your goal has to be on long term and not on short term. Everything you put in, like Apex accounts, like Profit accounts, is an investment. They are not costs; it's an investment. And the bots, they are running well, also over a long time. But if you have a bad month, don't cry, because the next month maybe it doubled your profit and the losses of the previous month was just peanuts. That's how it works. And you have to have a trader's mindset, and not a mindset of someone is desperate and after a month quitting because he lost his $300 or blown his account in 1 month with a bot. And again, you are in full control of the bot if you are implementing the strategies. We come back to that later, like the ATR Breakout strategy. But here we are tweaking for our copy trading bots. We are tweaking the bot, so you don't have to do anything, just connect it and you're done. Okay? So, yeah, Gold Digger, good week. RMH, bad week. When we go to the ATR Breakout strategy, let's go to NQ first. We had a very good week. So we did a test over the past weeks, and this week performing also very well. So that's why I decided to release this new code next week, because it's running very well, good performance. We have a nice also performance table here integrated on the right. So you see here, this month we had 3 trades with NQ. We already are on $3,340 profit in 3 trades. And we just had a trade also today. So we started with a losing trade on November 4th of almost $1,200 in here. Let me get my head around it. $1,200, and then we had a really good trade, 4K, I think just after the losing trade. And then today we had a $555 winning trade also with NQ, so total of 3.3K, something like that. Okay, not bad for the start of the month. And that's mini contracts, and it's also based on 1 mini contract. And if you are implementing this bot, if you buy the strategy or you already have the strategy, you get a free update, then you're able here to tweak this strategy for the best performance, or which aligns your own trading strategy. You're able to set the total P&L and a drawdown with those settings, and also total trades, profitable trades. When you tweak them, you see those numbers are changing. We had a trade with the same code, same strategy with ES, so S&P 500, and we had 2 trades, and we are now at $75 profit. So we had a losing trade today, I think, of $626, and we had a winning trade on the 5th of November of $700. So we are still in the plus of $75. We're still waiting for micro gold futures trade. So for this month, we still didn't get any trades in because we didn't have any big breakout up or downwards. So the volatility is not so high at this moment that it will detect really a good breakout, which will be also reliable. So we're still on 0. So I always say less is more, because if you don't have any trades this week, you also didn't lose money, right? So wait, be patient. If you have the ATR breakout strategy, I think that is one of the best strategies you can have if you are stretched out of losses or emotional stuff. Then this is the best strategy for those people which are getting emotional with losses and can't handle losses and get stressed. This is the one. So yeah, we're still waiting for the micro gold futures, but this code will be released. It's here in the classroom. You are able to buy it for at this moment for $197. And next week we will increase the price just after that to $297 because it's worth it. It's a very nice strategy which you can use for every asset you want to trade. Here we have 3 assets: NQ, ES, and micro gold futures or gold futures, but you're able also to connect it to other assets, to other tickers. So that's it. And we are planning to release the scripts of the Gold Digger, the Gold Sniper, and the RM Edge 2. We're still offering them for copy trading, of course, but for the people which want to manage the bot themselves and maybe also want to improve the bot themselves with the AI tool we are also using to create the bots, and we will come with also with the training for that in this month. So we already have a Dutch training here for the Dutch people already in the classroom, which we teach people how to use the AI tool to create your own strategies or how to optimize strategies we already releasing. You are able to add some stuff to maybe increase the performance, whatever you want to do with the code, it's yours, right? So we want to release this or next week. I'm already busy with setting up the products in our school community, in the trade change community. So you can buy them next week too. And we also are thinking offering a bundle where you can buy those 4 strategies in one time for a very special price. Okay. And it's not difficult. Just copy and paste the code. Go here to your Pine editor here on the left side. Copy that in here. Then what you do is once you copy it, let me go back here. Once you copy it, you say save script and then update to chart. And then from that point, you are able here to tweak the bot too. Okay. And then you are fully in control of your own strategy. And automation is very simple. Once you buy one of the strategies, you get also the PDF of, let me go here to the PDF. So when you buy one of the strategies, what you also get to get your automation set up, so you need to know how to do that. You get a step, let me see here, the step-by-step guide to automation you get for free. It's a PDF, it's an ebook, where we clearly explain step by step, once you imported your TradingView script, how to automate it and which tools you need, right? So you don't need a VPS server. So that's really good because, yeah. So especially when you have the ATR breakout strategy, you only have 10 trades in a month. So yeah, that's not much, but just close your laptop and the trades will run. So that's really, really good with this system, okay? So ATR breakout strategy, I'm now implementing the Gold Sniper. It's not visible yet for you guys because it's in draft, but we will extend the products in here too. And next week we are planning also a short tutorial about using the AI tool to create your own TradingView strategies. And you need experience for that as a trader. So if you don't have any trade experience, then it doesn't make sense that you are using this tool to create your own TradingView strategies because yeah, you need to know the basics of trading. And some people already purchased also the tool, including this step-by-step guide. So when you purchase this guide only, it will also explain how to code, but which tool you need. Then yeah, you are also able next week to take a look over my shoulders how I do it, and how I tweak the bots too. All right. So a lot of things are happening in this community. We just getting started. I think this is the third week we are now live with this community. Still working on improvements of the bots, but also on um, creating products for you guys, so you guys are able to make money with trading automation. Because I know from experience, not many people make money from trading manually. Because I'm also in the Dutch trading group, Trade Academy. It's one of the biggest trade community of Benelux. I think there are more than 25,000 members in, and I think only 10%, maybe 5%, they are profitable every month with trading manually. So it's a skill. It's very difficult. It takes long before you are consistent and make money with it. You have to invest a lot of time, a lot of money. You have to glue to your screen every day. And with training automation, just let it run with a proper, also with the proper risk management. You make money, I'm for sure, and you get your account funded. And from that point, yeah, you can start also with collecting and getting withdrawals from those prop firms. All right, that was it. A bit longer than I had planned. I wish you guys a very good weekend. So next week, the release of the new code of the ATR Breakout strategy. Then we will also increase the price right after that, the day after, to $297 for new users. And we are also adding some other strategies, the codes from the sniper, from the gold digger, also the order match, for the people which want to manage the bot themselves instead of copy trading. And that's it. And happy Friday. See you next week. Bye.